We're over here at the Dio shop. Here's the Dio that I've got to work on. And I got my Superman deal. But right now, I'm trying to get my big bike in order, my new toy for spring, so I can just put it away, and I want to look everything over. I've replaced the fuel, the oil filter oil, the radiator fluid. She's running about 200 degrees. Now at about 220 degrees, this fan right here will come on. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Oh god, that's so cool. I mean, it's just, all my bikes are so old, and this one's like whiz, 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 and then boom. I really like it. So I'm kind of documenting what I'm doing here. I spilled some radiator or stuff on the other side, that's why that's there. But I'm going to look all this over and check it out, because it's a bitch to put on the plastics. What I've done with the plastics, and this is a good idea if you have a new bike, is here is the right and left, center and upper cowls. They have a lower, center, and an upper cowl. Here's your lower one, which goes down by your Kickstarter, and the one over here is a little bit harder to work with because it goes right along the chain and also the kickstand, and it's sometimes got some of that molybdenum grease buildup. But what I'm going to do is clean these up really well on both sides. I have a reason for it. Then I'm going to take Armor All, which is basically what I would call it is a plastic moisturizer. It's like if you have dry skin, well, you have dry plastic. Now you've been in a car with the new car smell. Well, that is the brand new plastic that is evaporating because it's made of oil. So if you can put more moisture back into the part, you can keep it for longer. And also my other thing is to say that after I clean all these up and I put them back on the bike, I know they're clean. So if I happen to have a problem down the road, and this is always a nice thing to get too. My old painting shop gave me this. 4 Seasons. Oh god, I'm getting old. My birthday's coming up, and I'm just about 60 years old. So I figure I got about 10 years to ride. I've gone and I've checked all the loose parts. Remember, this bike is 10 years old. It does have factory settings, but who knows what things have been changed, what things get loose. Shit happens. So I just go in and I take my screwdriver and I give everything a little slight nudge on it, you know, to see if it's in good shape. That's just doing my due diligence. I'm also looking for holes, and you can see there's a tiny bit of water under there. That's clear water. I could not figure it out until I started the bike up, got a flashlight, and water condensation is coming from this add-on Two Brothers pipe and going down and dripping off the this is the emissions, whatever the hell that emissions crap is. So I'm going to get these parts in order, get them all cleaned up, and after I put everything on, I'm going to make a review for Empire Cycle. This is where I bought the bike. I've only been up there one time. Empire Cycle and Power Sports. They're on, I believe, Sprague Street in Spokane. If any of you guys out there, and you know me and you know I got 25,000 subscribers, if you like my work and you trust my work, go buy a bike from these guys. If their website says the bike is what it is what it is. And that they treated me really, really good. I'm just happy as hell with them. Thank you, Jeremy, Flanagan, salesman, thank you, the service guys and the owners, and Tanya, the secretary. My wife's name's Tanya. All right, got to keep working.